What is up, guys? My name is Rachel and this is my channel Tales of Odyssey. If you haven't been here before, thank you for joining along. This is my flatmate Max.
It's me.
It's Max, he's back. And today we're going to be visiting the miniature Grand Canyon of Kyrgyzstan, aka the Konorchek Canyon. So we're starting the trip to the Konorchek Canyon. The entrance to this canyon is actually in Boom Gorge, which is located about an hour and 20 minutes east of Bishkek. So I'm guessing that it's going to be just under a 2-hour drive. Anyway, you're getting little school adventure vibes, like school road trip. Yeah, we're going with a group tour. So we've got a guide and we've got other people, and we're in this cute little van again. So yeah, what Max was saying is we're getting like a school outing vibes.
It's not a bad thing. It's feel like really comfortable and warm.
Yeah, true. And we just had like a whole introduction round with everybody, so it's nice. Well, I don't speak Russian, but I had Max try to translate for me. It's nice to hear what everybody gets up to. Anyway, so we still got a bit of a drive. I think we've just left Bishkek, and yeah, we're going to be heading off to Boom Gorge soon. Okay, well, we're still on our way to Boom Gorge. This is actually the road also that connects Bishkek with the largest lake of Kyrgyzstan, Ecology. Are you a little puppy? Hi. Hi, Mama. This is your baby. Hi, little baby. Hi, little mommy. Oh, here are your other babies. Should I get you some food? Okay, so my heart is breaking for this. Yeah, we're gonna go. My heart is breaking for this dog and her baby, so I got them 2 sandwiches, or at least with sausage for the mommy. Okay, baby munching down. Mommy eating her sandwich over here. Yeah, I feel sad when I see dogs like this, but luckily they got 2 sausage sandwiches today, so hopefully their tummies are full for now. Oh. Okay, so we have gone from the road up here to this train track, and this also looks like it is going to be the starting point of our walk to get to Konorchek Canyon. It's going to be about an hour and 20 minutes hike, and there are going to be some parts of elevation. We have been warned there are scorpions and snakes in this region, so don't touch them. Obviously, also be careful of poisonous plants, so don't eat or touch any of the plants either. One thing that is good to know about the canyon and its weather is that it has a very hot climate. It's almost like a desert climate. So today, even though it's like September, it's still a lot warmer than if you go into like the mountains. But during the summer months, this can get up to 40 degrees Celsius, which means that during the summer months, this place is actually baking hot. So it's probably going to be better if you do come in the spring or in the autumn. I'm now here at the end of September, and it's like a nice summer's day, not a desert summer's day. But yeah, just be prepared that the weather here, the temperature here is going to be a lot warmer. So also bring enough water, bring suntan lotion, bring yourself a cap. I'm going to put mine on just now as well, just to stay protected from the sun. This is so cute to see the bees. How are you dealing with the hike so far?
I'm dealing with the hike as a normal person. Like I walk and I get hot. And it's pretty nature, very dry.
Very dry, like my lips feel as dry as the sand. Despite the dry climate, I really enjoy seeing the different plants that are growing here. One thing that I'm very happy about is that we've moved into the shade. It's nice to have a little bit of a cool down. I get super excited when it comes to the diversity of Kyrgyzstan so far, because I've seen mountains, lakes, valleys, basically everything, and now we're off to a canyon, which I think is mind-blowing that in a country you have so much different landscapes. Look, baby frogs. These are the type of hikes that I like, all the day outings that I enjoy, because I feel like a little bit of adventure. You've got weird little bugs and things everywhere. Like, yeah, man, I could get used to this. Okay, so the next part of the rock that we're going up is this thing. Yeah, you okay?
I'm okay for now.
It's not so difficult. Well, despite the heat and a little bit of climbing, overall, I still think this is an extremely easy hiking route. It's not very physically intense, I don't think. Even the little bits on the rocks, like they do feel adventurous and stuff like that when you're climbing up, but it doesn't feel like, oh my goodness, my body is dying from this hike. So yeah, I do think that if you want a nice day trip which has a little bit of adventure, you can definitely come check out the canyon, because the walk will be comfortable. I'm hoping the views are going to be worth it, and you get a little sense of adventure. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Hi, Max. No, I'm okay. Hop. Look how beautiful it is. I love the color of the rock, man. Wow, 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 wow. It feels like sort of like a little labyrinth going through like this. So cool. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, so there are the first views, man. Like, we went through the rockiness and the formations to see even more rocks and formations, but these ones are pretty impressive. Considering that this morning in Bishkek it wasn't that warm, and now here the temperature difference, like, it feels a lot hotter than it was. So a few weeks ago in Bishkek it was like 36 degrees Celsius. I cannot even imagine what it would feel like over here in this canyon on a day that Bishkek is so hot, because it must be absolutely smoldering hot here then. Like, still also what I find so pretty is that you have these like bright pops of color here with these pink bushes everywhere. Man, what a scene. Gosh, just look at that. We're walking along this dried riverbed in landscape that could have come from planet Mars. This looks so cool. I love the red rock. And in contrast to most of the things I've seen in Kyrgyzstan so far, this is so different. Okay, well, we've made it to our first stop where we're going to be having some lunch, get some sugars in our bodies. What is really cool about this place is that it has a very interesting history and ecology. So somewhere here in this canyon, there are still remnants of a volcano, a very, very old volcano, like ancient volcano. And then also, apparently, if you look properly, like, you'll be able to sometimes find shells from when this canyon, believe it or not, used to be a sea. Okay, so I think there was like a little bit of confusion for Max and I, and this is also because, well, Max speaks a little bit of Russian, I speak none, so we don't get like all the updates. Like, we just got an update, and that is actually that we're leaving the canyon behind. We're not going to another place in the canyon, but that's okay, because I think that we saw a lot of it, and it's just very impressive. But now we're going to lunch. Today in Max in the Wild. Back out of the heat, man. My lips. How are you feeling? Tired. Yeah.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Like many
sand, dust.
Yeah, dust.
Yeah, there was like a sand dust storm that hit us in the face.
But satisfied.
But satisfied.
We made it.
We made it for sure. We have made it back to the apartment in Bishkek. As you might be able to see, I am quite tired, I'm a little bit sunburned, and I'm feeling very warm and fuzzy after a day in the canyon. Anyways, the drive back was about, I don't know, like just over 2 hours, but all in all it was a really great day. I think it's really cool that Kyrgyzstan has so many different landscapes. So I went from mountains to the lakes, now to the canyons. This canyon is not the only one in the country. There are multiple canyons, and I think that if you really want to go explore a country with a lot of diversity, then this is the country to definitely come and check out, because there's just so much to see and so much to do. I also really thought it was good that we were here at the end of September, because I don't think I would have wanted to do that canyon at 40 degrees Celsius. That would have been a bit too much. But yeah, anyways, like I mentioned earlier, just put on a lot of sunscreen, bring enough water, and go and enjoy those views. Thank you for joining all the way to the end of this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Cheers and good night.